If a log file contains large numbers of parameters, spans long periods of time, or could contain anomalies not large enough to be easily pinpointed in a spreadsheet column, it may be easier to read as a value over time graph. An excellent no-cost way of doing this is to read the log file as a graph using Google Sheets. From your Google account, click the 9 dots icon in the upper right corner. Open Google Sheets. Create a new blank spreadsheet. Click the File tab, then Import. Use the Import dialog to import the log file. In the Import File dialog, set Import Location to replace Spreadsheet. Set Separator Type to detect automatically. Check the Convert Text to Numbers, Dates and Formulas checkbox. Highlight the first 7 rows. Right-click the selected rows, then click Delete rows 1 to 7. Highlight the lowest rows in the sheet. Right-click the selected rows, then click Delete rows. Highlight the Time in milliseconds column, and any or all other columns containing data you want plotted. Note that selecting too many rows may cause performance issues or poor quality graphs. Click the Insert Chart button. The Chart Editor dialog will appear. If the chart editor is currently not shown, it can be opened by double-clicking the graph area. In the Chart Editor's Setup section, check the Use Row 1 as headers and Use Column A as labels checkboxes. Do not check the Treat Labels as text box. The default chart type is a column chart. Convert the column chart to a line chart by going to Setup. Under Chart Type, click Line Chart. In the Chart Editor's Customize section, go to Chart Style and check the Plot Null Values checkbox. This ensures that the lines in line graphs will be fully comprehensible. Most parameter changes over time can easily be interpreted as a line graph. However, some parameter types may need a different graph format. If you need to change the graph format, go to the Chart Editor's Setup section and choose a suitable chart type. If the graph's vertical scaling means that graph lines run off the upper or lower bounds of the graph, you can adjust the vertical scaling to contain the lines accurately within the graph bounds. In the Chart Editor's Customize section, expand the vertical axis section. Adjust the minimum and maximum units until the whole graph can be seen. If you want to add more datasets to the datasets that are currently populating the graph, press Ctrl and left-click the sheet columns you want to add to the graph. Click the Insert Chart button. A graph that includes the new data will be generated.